Next, 1 plus 2 plus 3 onto infinity. So many people think it's infinity, but there's also another solution which I'm going to show you right now. This might be quite complicated, so try to follow along with me. S1, as in there's a value of 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. And that equals to 0.5. I'll not get into the proof of that because I don't know the proof of that. S2, let's assume S2 equals to this function of 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6. And what is S2? I don't know. We can make 2S2 though. So itself plus itself. As you can see, 2S2 equals to 1 on top over here. Minus 1 because minus 2 plus 1 equals minus 1. And the third value is plus 1 because 3 minus 2 is plus 1, and so on and so forth. So you get 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. And if you can see, this value equals to S1, as we determined is 0.5. So 2S2 equals 0.5, S2, 1S2 equals 0.25. So how does it relate to what I said? Well, the next slide. Let S as in what we are trying to rank equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So S, the big S, minus S2 equals to this minus S2 over here is 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6. And what do we get from that is, you can see 1 minus 1 equals 0. 2 minus minus 2, so it's plus 2 is 4. And the 3 cancels out, the 4 equals to 8. And it goes on and on. And what you can do, you can take 4 out of it. So divide by 4. And you can take 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, which is equals to S itself. Wow, amazing. And if you plug in the value of S2, which is 0.25 over here on the left hand side, and S for the right hand side, so you get negative 0.25 equals to 3S. And you find out for the value of 1S is negative 1 over 12. And value of all positive integers is negative 1 over 12. Well, this only works for special regularization. All that means is a fancy term that people in math can't figure out what's the right answer, and they're just debating it. So I propose let the two smartest mathematicians get in a 1v1 boxing match, and the winner tells me the answer whether it equals to infinity or negative 112. So let's give it a S here, and we can watch a boxing match because of this.